from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be, I wanted to get two collections that came out this fall, and I wanted to go over it with you, not because of a haul, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like, because it's gorgeous online, but it's more gorgeous in person, and it's a lot of my style, and I can't wait to use all of this up. So I ended up getting She's Magic from Dear Lizzy is one of the collections. So we're gonna go over that first. So I did get the little gel. They're like gel enamel dots, and they've got really cool things in them. There's little things in the smaller circle one. So I really like that. And then I did get the ephemera pack, and it's got a bunch of tags. I really, really love these. There's a couple of those in there. The very vintage style. So I'll let you see that. Okay. And then I did get all of the frames. I can't wait to use these. So each one's got a little bit of a different frame. Go slowly so you can see that. Okay. And then I did get this 6x6 paper pad. Or 6x8, I should say. And I'm really enjoying the fact that they did do this. And this one is holographic or iridescent more than the rose gold or gold. And that is the reason why I got this. So if you flip through it, like there's a little bit of a shine. There you can tell. I'm just so super duper excited that this is silver based and not gold based. You have no idea. So there's that. So that's the 6x8 paper pad. I did get the chipboards, of course. And it's got a little bit of an iridescent to it, and I love that. And then this is got like a shimmer to the page. So probably be easier to have you see it more if I pull it out. So if you can tell, like I shine my light on it and it's definitely got a shimmer to it, and I love it. Look at this cat. This cat is perfect for me. I don't like cats, but that one I like. I just love this. So that's the stickers, and then I got puffy stickers, and then I got this, and it's all holographic. So now we'll go through the papers. So this is Magic. I've already fussy cut this one page out, and I'll probably be doing it again. I like all these tags. They're cool. I like that side too. I love this. I think I'm going to use this here one probably for, I've got a trip that I'll probably use this for. I think it's either my Greece trip, one of my trips I'm going to use it for. I love this green and blue. I think it's perfect. This, I love this. Message in a bottle. It's just perfect. Look at all these teacups. And look at, they both go two different ways. I love that. Because a lot of times you only get them on one side. I like that it's two different ways. And these are two different ways. Yeah. Hearts. Look at these cameras. Oh my gosh, look at these cameras. And that. I love the pencils. And this green that's in here. This vintage color. Oh. And then I love this. This is like my favorite page. Other than the flowers, this is another favorite page of mine. And then I love this, that it says, dreamers, stay magical, making memories, live for the moment. I just love it. And then there's that. Okay, so that's She's Magical. That is that collection. And now I went and got a Slice of Life from Amy Tan. Now you're probably wondering why I got 2 pages of these and like I don't know. I will tell you this. I don't know how this particular company did this. I know I only paid for one set because there ain't no way I would have gotten 2 of these. So somehow I got 1 free of this. I don't know why I got 3 of these and 2 of those. So, with further ado, we'll just go over these. All right, so I did get the 1 set of these. I only ordered 1 set. I ended up getting 2 sets. But I love that this is glittery based and it's got a flap to it. And I like the rich fall colors to it because I decided not to get Pink Paisley Paige Evans collection because I knew the Hip Kit would get it. And they did load me quite a bit up on it. So I like that idea. And so I ended up not getting any of it. And this color matches a lot of that. And these are the puffy stickers. And then I got 3 of the smaller puffy stickers. So I like the dog, the sweater. There's some donuts. There's some cameras. A bicycle. A couple bicycles. So now I've got 2, 4, 6 bicycles that I can figure out how to use. Yep. I said it right there. And this one is nothing on it, which I love. I'm very particular on my 6x8 paper pads or 6x6 paper pads. If it's gold, I have to really, really love to get it because I'm not a gold person. But this is just straight pictures, and I love that. So somehow I got 2. Now I got 2. Lord have mercy. And then I got, now these are, so they're chipboard, but they're foam on the bottom. And I like that. That's pretty cool. And I like that there's the glitter. Look at that cat. And then, yep, I got 2 of those. I didn't order 2 of these. I know I didn't. Because I checked my invoice. It says I only should have had 1. And I ended up getting 2. I don't know what I did. But it's pretty cool. I like that there's the glitter based on there. Some flowers on there. So ultimately, at the end of the day, I got a lot of embellishments. So I know I won't run out. But I may run out of paper. That might be the issue. I may have to go get some more. So here's this one. Oh, look at these colors. I love this. This, I've got photos of Amy and myself and our 2 kiddo widows at donut places. And I can't wait to use these. These are what I'm going to use this for. Love that back. I love this background too. I love the pretzels. I love this. I love this one too because I wear a lot of sweaters in the winter. Love that one. Love that one. I love this one. I love this one. I love that. I like this black and white one. I love everything. That's why I got it. I just love it. Black and white. Oh, look at the vintage cameras. Some more black and white. All right, so that is A Slice of Life from Amy Tan, and then She's Magical from Dear Lizzy. I hope that you enjoyed this little bit of breakthrough of what you could get with this. I feel that you guys could do tons of different projects with it. You definitely will be seeing me go through these projects, and I'm sorry that I've been a little MIA. School has been a little crazy. We had some things go on at school that we had to take care of. And now that we're back, I'm back. I can't keep scrapping because I want to hold it. That's not really. So, be on the lookout for more stuff. And I will talk to you guys